try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, background, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Next, without the advantage of this hotel, so you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
For the further details, check description of the video.
Then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new